Hello, welcome to Majestic Digital World, your number one filmmaking brand. I humbly welcome you to From Script to Screen, a video series that discusses the process of turning a screenplay into a finished film. In today's video, we'll be looking at the art of writing a dialogue for a movie script. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the key elements of writing dialogue for movies, including the importance of natural sounding dialogue, the use of subtext, and how to write dialogue that advances the plot and reveals characters. 1. Natural sounding dialogue. Dialogue in a movie script needs to sound natural and believable. It should sound like real people talking rather than scripted lines. One way to achieve natural sounding dialogue is to read your line out and listen to how they sound. You can also record a few conversations between people to really get to know how people really talk. 2. A subtext. Subtext is the underlying meaning in conversation that is not publicly stated. It's the unspoken thoughts and feelings of the characters. Subtext can be used to add depth and complexity to the dialogue and to reveal things about the character that they may not be able to say outright. For example, if a character said "I'm fine," but their body language or tone of voice suggests otherwise, this can add subtext to the conversation. The other character may pick up on this and react accordingly, leading to a more nuanced and interesting conversation. 3. Advancing the plot and revealing the characters. Dialogue in a movie should not only sound natural, but it should also serve a purpose. It should advance the plot and reveal characters. Each line of the dialogue should move a story forward in a way, either by providing information or by creating conflict. Dialogue can also reveal character traits and motivation. For example, if a character is over-defensive or argumentative, this can reveal something about their personality or their past experience. In conclusion, writing dialogue for movie scripts is both an art and science. By focusing on natural sounding dialogue, using a subtext to add depth and complexity, and writing dialogue that advances the plot and reveal character, you can create compelling and engaging conversation that will keep your audience captivated from the start to finish. So get out there and start writing. Follow us on the remaining part of this video series to learn everything you need to know about screenwriting. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video so that YouTube will push it out to others that needed it. I remain Majesty, your prolific cinematographer. See you in my next video. Stay curious.